Are you struggling to make ends meet during these tough times of rising inflation? You are not alone. And today, we're diving into 7 powerful tips inspired by none other than Warren Buffett to help you live on a crazy low income. Stick around because these insights could change your life. Number 1. Prioritize needs over want. Prioritizing needs over wants is crucial, especially during tough economic times. Warren Buffett, one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet, mastered this early in his career. He understood the importance of distinguishing between what is necessary and what is merely desirable. Imagine the power of focusing solely on what truly matters and cutting out the rest. Take Sarah, for example, a single mother of 2 who struggled to make ends meet. By adopting Buffett's principle, she scrutinized her expenses, distinguishing her genuine needs, like food, shelter, and utilities, from her wants, such as dining out and cable TV. Sarah found that by cutting out non-essential expenses, she could save a substantial amount each month. This newfound financial freedom allowed her to start a small emergency fund, giving her peace of mind and security against unforeseen circumstances. Buffett himself was famously lived in the same modest house he bought decades ago, demonstrating that wealth isn't about owning luxurious items but about financial stability and making smart choices. By prioritizing needs over wants, you too can achieve financial resilience, ensuring that every dollar spent brings you closer to your long-term goals rather than fleeting satisfaction. If you are enjoying the video, hit the subscribe button and comment down your thoughts. If you want to explore money-making strategies, click the link in the description to start a financial journey. Number 2. Find alternatives to high-cost items. Finding alternatives to high-cost items can be a game-changer when living on a tight budget. Warren Buffett, known for his frugality, often opts for quality over brand names, proving that you don't need to spend a fortune to enjoy life. Imagine saving money without sacrificing your lifestyle is all about making smart choices. Consider the story of John and Lisa, a young couple drowning in student loan debt. Inspired by Buffett's philosophy, they began looking for cheaper alternatives for their everyday needs. Instead of buying expensive groceries, they shopped at local farmers markets and discount stores. They swapped pricey gym memberships for outdoor workouts and YouTube fitness videos. For entertainment, they discovered free community events and library resources. Buffett himself famously enjoys McDonald's breakfasts, showcasing that even billionaires don't always splurge. By embracing this mindset, John and Lisa managed to save hundreds of dollars each month, which they redirected toward paying off their debt and building an emergency fund. The story illustrates that with a bit of creativity and determination, finding alternatives to high-cost items isn't just possible, it's empowering. This approach can transform your financial situation, allowing you to thrive even when money is tight. Number 3. Use public transportation. Using public transportation can be a lifesaver when you're living on a tight budget. Warren Buffett, who still lives in his modest Omaha home and drives a simple car, understands the value of cutting transportation costs. His frugal habits inspire many to seek cost-effective ways to commute. Take Sarah, for example, a single mother struggling to make ends meet. Sarah used to spend a significant portion of her income on gas and car maintenance. Inspired by Buffett's frugality, she decided to switch to public transportation. At first, it seems inconvenient, but soon she discovers the hidden benefits. The money she saved on fuel and repairs was redirected to essential needs and an emergency fund. Sarah also found ways to make her commute productive. She used the time to catch up on reading, listen to educational podcasts, and even complete online courses, enhancing her skills and boosting her career prospects. Buffett's wisdom emphasized that small changes can lead to significant savings. By using public transportation, you not only cut down on expenses, but also reduce stress and gain valuable time for self-improvement. Sarah's story proves that embracing this approach can transform your financial situation, allowing you to thrive even on a limited budget. Number 4. Cook at home. Cooking at home can dramatically shift your financial landscape, a principle that Warren Buffett himself embodies through his simple lifestyle. Imagine Lisa, a young professional who found herself perpetually broke despite a decent salary. Her habits of eating out frequently drained her budget, leaving little room for savings or investments. Then, inspired by Buffett's approach to frugality, Lisa decided to take control of her meals. She began planning and cooking at home. At first, it was a challenge, but soon she discovered the hidden joys and benefits of home-cooked meals. By preparing her own dishes, Lisa slashed her food expenses by more than half. Not only did she save money, but she also started to enjoy the process of cooking, discovering new recipes, and even hosting small dinner parties with friends. Lisa's journey exemplifies how cooking at home can be transformative. It's not just about saving money, it's about investing in your health, creativity, and social life. Buffett's principle of live frugally translates seamlessly into the kitchen, where each meal made at home is a step towards financial freedom and personal satisfaction. Number 5. Avoid debt. Avoiding debt is crucial for maintaining financial stability, and it's a lesson that Warren Buffett embodies through his disciplined approach. Take the story of Mark, a small business owner who fell into the debt trap early on. In his quest for business expansion, Mark took on multiple loans and maxed out his credit cards. While the initial surge of growth seemed promising, the mounting interest payments soon became unmanageable. Mark's once thriving business was drowning in debt, leading to sleepless nights and mounting stress. Then Mark decided to turn his life around by embracing Buffett's philosophy, avoiding debt. He started by consolidating his loans and making a stringent budget to ensure he lived within his means. By cutting unnecessary expenses and focusing on paying down his debt aggressively, Mark slowly regained control over his finances. His turnaround story wasn't easy, but it underscored a crucial lesson. Debt can be a severe burden, but with discipline and strategic planning, it's possible to overcome and build a more secure financial future. Buffett's emphasis on avoiding debt highlights a pathway to financial freedom and stability, showing that living without the weight of debt can lead to a more prosperous and stress-free life. Number 6. Build an emergency fund. Building an emergency fund is crucial, as Warren Buffett often emphasizes. Take Sarah, a single mother, working 2 jobs to support her children. She struggled with unexpected expenses, from medical bills to car repairs, often resorting to high-interest loans. Inspired by Buffett's wisdom, Sarah started setting aside a small amount from each paycheck into a dedicated savings account. Initially, it was challenging. Sacrifices were made, like skipping non-essential purchases and opting for home-cooked meals over dining out. Over time, her emergency fund grew. One day, when her car broke down, Sarah had enough savings to cover the repairs without borrowing. This financial cushion not only provided immediate relief, but also gave her peace of mind and a sense of control over her finances. Sarah's story illustrates the power of an emergency fund. It transforms crises into manageable setbacks and fosters financial stability, echoing Buffett's belief in the importance of preparedness. Number 7. Continuous learning and self-improvement. Continuous learning and self-improvement are the cornerstones of Warren Buffett's philosophy. Imagine John, a factory worker who was struggling to make ends meet. Despite working long hours, his financial situation never seemed to improve. Inspired by Buffett's advice, John decided to invest in himself. He began by enrolling in free online courses to learn new skills. John started with basic computer literacy, gradually moving to more advanced topics like data analysis and project management. It wasn't easy. Balancing work, family, and studies requires discipline and sacrifice. However, John's persistence paid off. Within a year, he was able to apply for a higher-paying administrative position within his company. His new skills not only made him more valuable to his employer, but also opened up a world of opportunities he hadn't imagined before. John's story is a powerful testament to the impact of continuous learning. By investing in his education, he broke free from the cycle of low-wage jobs and created a better future for himself and his family. This journey of self-improvement underscores Buffett's belief that the best investment you can make is in yourself, as it has the potential to yield the greatest returns over a lifetime. If you like this type of content, then press the like button and subscribe to our channel.